Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to talk about 5 essential habits of highly successful people. Although the definition of success varies from person to person. In general, it refers to attaining one's goals, leading a meaningful life, and having a beneficial impact on the world. The issue is that a lot of individuals struggle to succeed and are unsure on how to approach it. In this video, we look at successful people's habits and discuss how you might adopt them for success in your own life. We'll take a look at 5 key habits that successful individuals tend to possess. By understanding these habits and how to implement them, you'll be well on your way to achieving your own goals and reaching new heights of success. So, whether you're looking to improve your career, start a business, or simply live a more fulfilling life, this video will provide you with the insights and strategies you need to succeed. Just let's get started and explore the 5 habits of highly successful people. Number 1. They make specific objectives. Achieving success requires having definite, defined goals, which highly successful people are aware of. They take the time to determine their goals before creating a strategy to achieve them, setting both short-term and long-term objectives, as well as breaking down more challenging objectives into smaller, more doable steps might be examples of this. The key is that they adopt an active approach and set precise, quantifiable goals to direct their efforts, rather than merely relying on wishful thinking. They can track their progress along the way and have a clear plan to follow as a result. To make sure they stay on track, they also evaluate their goals frequently and make any required adjustments. Number 2. They take initiative. Successful people aggressively seek out chances, rather than waiting for them to come to them. They are aware that success requires a willingness to take chances and put yourself out there. This implies that individuals are constantly searching for fresh opportunities and innovative approaches to bettering their life. Additionally, they don't hesitate to take risks and venture beyond their comfort zones. They are able to remain flexible and open to change, which is crucial in today's fast-paced society. They also practice initiative and don't wait to be told what to do. Number 3. They are disciplined. Success depends on discipline, and successful individuals are aware of this. Even when things are difficult, they have the self-control to stick to their objectives and goals. They are prepared to put in the necessary time, effort, and attention because they are aware that success requires these things. As a result, they are able to maintain their attention on the subject at hand and resist interruptions and procrastination. They practice self-control when it comes to how they allocate their time, energy, and resources. They create boundaries, prioritize their duties, and refrain from multitasking, all of which increase their productivity. Number 4. They are persistent. People who are successful don't give up easy. They are prepared to put in the time and effort necessary to achieve their goals because they are aware that it will take both. They remain tenacious and continue striving toward their objectives in spite of setbacks and challenges. They are aware that success is a process rather than a destination and that there will be obstacles in their path. However, they see these difficulties as chances to develop and learn, and they take advantage of them to becoming stronger and more resilient. Additionally, they possess the capacity to overcome setbacks and learn from them. Number 5. They are surrounded by positive influences. People that are successful recognize how crucial it is to surround themselves with supportive people. They surround themselves with those who will aid them in achieving their objectives, who will encourage and support them. Additionally, they take precautions to stay away from bad influences that can hinder or demotivate them. This means that they stay away from negative individuals and settings, and instead surround themselves with positive, encouraging, and helpful people. They take care to restrict their exposure to unfavorable media and news. They can maintain their motivation and concentrate, 2 qualities that are crucial for accomplishing their goals, by surrounding themselves with positive influences. In conclusion, we've explored the 5 habits of highly successful people and how you can incorporate them into your own life to achieve success. Remember that success is a journey and it takes time, effort, and discipline to achieve it. By setting clear goals, being proactive, staying persistent, having self-discipline, and surrounding yourself with positive influences, you can increase your chances of achieving success in your personal and professional life. However, it's important to remember that success is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process, and it's easy to lose motivation and give up on the way. That's why it's important to find ways to keep yourself motivated and inspired. One way to do this is by setting small achievable goals along the way so you can see progress and feel a sense of accomplishment. Another way is to surround yourself with a supportive community. Whether it's friends, family, or a group of like-minded individuals who will encourage and support you. Finally, don't be too hard on yourself and don't compare yourself to others. We all have our own unique journey and our own definition of success. The most important thing is to stay true to yourself and follow your own path. With the right mindset, habits, and support, you can achieve success and live a fulfilling life. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any question or comment, please leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And we will see you in our upcoming videos.